Welcome to Your Jewish Heritage Guide. Founded in 2022, the tour agency grew out of our passion for history, storytelling, and guiding. We specialize in Jewish heritage tours across Germany, Poland, and Ukraine, while also creating engaging general sightseeing and cultural tours that bring each destination to life. Our team brings more than 15 years of experience designing authentic, memorable journeys for international travelers. Our first venture, Odessa Walks, founded in 2011, quickly became the #1 tour agency in Odessa and southern Ukraine, trusted by travelers for immersive sightseeing, cultural, and Jewish heritage tours. That experience continues to shape who we are today. Reliable, passionate about guiding, and committed to excellence, proven over time. But for us, traveling has never been just about visiting places. It's about connections to people, places, and flavors. Guided by deep local knowledge and a genuine love for storytelling, we create tours for the curious mind. Journeys designed with passion and interest in every destination that we share with you. Although we specialize in Jewish heritage tours, we put the same depth and excitement to our general history and cultural tours. In every city, our tours reveal hidden layers through local people's stories, art, and food, creating an enjoyable and meaningful way to experience the city and not just see it. Because the most meaningful travel happens when the curiosity of travelers meets the knowledge and heart of locals. As passionate travelers and curious minds ourselves, we are constantly searching for what's truly distinctive. The stories behind the landmarks, the human moments, the beautiful views, the details that stay with you long after the journey ends. And one more thing, at Your Jewish Heritage Guide, we don't have customers. We have tour guests, and we would be honored to welcome you on a journey that stays with you long after you return home.